Hello, boys and girls. We are going to do some preparing of our paper before we get started on our box folding project. So I'm going to have you get a piece of paper that's a rectangle. This is just a regular piece of copy paper. You can use lined paper if that's what you have at home, but you'll get a piece of rectangular paper, and I'm going to have you fold it so the short side matches up with the long side. I'm just going to line those up like that and put a nice firm crease. That's going to be good practice because we're going to be doing a lot of nice firm creases with our origami project. And then I'm going to have you pick your paper up and take a scissors and cut right along that line. Okay, you should be able to see that at home, maybe even a little better than you can see it in my video. We're going to cut right along that line to prepare this first piece. You will not need this rectangle, so you can get rid of that. And when you open this up, that gives you a square paper. Okay, set this square paper aside and get one more rectangle. Okay, we're going to do almost the same thing, but this time instead of folding all the way to that far edge, I'm going to have you fold about 1/2 inch less than that far edge. Okay, so if I crease my paper, can you see there that's about 1/2 inch, or it's about as thick as my pinky finger? We're going to fold so it's nice straight line along there so it matches the edge of the paper. It's parallel, but we don't want to get quite to the edge with this one. This one needs to be smaller, okay? We're still going to then cut along those edges that we created when we folded our paper. So take your scissors and neatly cut right along that edge. And also, you're going to cut that little 1/2 inch off that we folded almost up to, okay? So when you're done, and these papers you can discard, when you're done, you're going to have 2 squares, okay? And they are going to be almost the same size. I'll move my scissors here so you can see that better. See, there's a little bit of a gap there. This top one is smaller all the way around than the bottom one, and that is exactly what we want for our box folding project. So once you've got your 2 square papers with one a little bigger than the other, you can watch the next video and see how to fold them. Good job.